How to delete Gmail account on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open Gmail application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for manage your Google account. Tap on that and now tap on data and privacy. Scroll down until you see data from apps and services you use. And now under that, tap on Content Saved from Google Services. You will see all the recently used Google services. Like you can see here, I have YouTube, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, etc. So now tap on Delete a service option. You will see three options here, that is delete a Google service, delete your Google account, and download your data. Tap on delete your Google account and here you can permanently delete your Google account and all your services and data such as emails and photos. You will be first asked to verify it's you. So go ahead and enter your Google account password and tap on next. Make sure that once you delete your account, you cannot undo it. If you are still sure of deleting your account, then scroll down and you will see two check boxes there. Select both the check boxes and then tap on delete account. You will be asked for your Google account password again. Enter the password and with this, you will be able to delete your Gmail account permanently. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.